Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am a big pen nerd, and I am obsessed with Muji pens. They're a bit expensive, so I wanted to give another company a try. I picked this off of Amazon, which is called a Mujo style pen, which I guess is how they get around copyrights. So my last Muji pen, unfortunately, is running out of ink. So I pulled out some of my paper to see how these new pens would work, and I got to testing them out. So first of all, I just wanted to have my normal Muji pen as my base, and then I went through every single color just to get an idea of, are the colors true? And overall, yeah, they look like a Muji pen, they feel like a Muji pen. They are very heavy into pinks and blues, unfortunately, and there's no yellow. But with what I like using pens for, that's alright. So something I enjoy doing is I love taking Bristol board or thick card paper like what I'm using here. This is not necessarily a knockoff brand of paper, but it's a thicker paper, but at a much cheaper price. So overall, I will sketch first, and then I will take pens like these, instead of using, say, my lovely Copic multi-liners, and I'll actually ink with them, and then lay colors on top. So it kind of gives you a different feel when you have inked lines that aren't black or sepia colored, which you'll see as soon as I finish this. But I have to say that overall I was very pleased with how these pens worked, and the ink flow was flawless, which I was thinking that I would probably have issues for the price point, but overall for an inking pen, or even just an everyday writing pen, it's perfect, because as you can see, I like writing in cursive, and for my hand style, it was perfect. So getting into actually inking with them, there were a few issues that I had. So the first one to note is be mindful of where your hand is as you're inking, because it can smudge. So I did let it dry for a bit before I laid anything on top, and unfortunately my Copic marker started dying halfway through this, so I had to try salvaging this piece by adding some cheap color pencil on top, which kind of worked. It doesn't quite like being erased, the Mujo inks don't, so keep that in mind if you're using them over pencils, but overall I would give this a solid 8 out of 10 for the color style and for how they run. So if you want to see what they're like, link is in the description below. I'll catch you next time. Bye!